Good morning. Congratulations. You made it through the first two units. Great job. Pat yourself on the back. We're going to keep moving forward with Unit 3, which is going to be the Chemical Accounting unit, or looking at how we apply math to chemistry. I know many of you are very nervous about the math piece of this class, but I promise that I am here to help you and get through it. The best advice that I can give you is just to go very slowly, take things step by step, or as Ted Lasso would say, bird by bird. And if you find yourself frustrated, or if you find yourself getting disheartened, stop what you're doing, walk away from it, come back to it later. And most importantly, please, please, please ask for help. I am here to help you be successful, so I will work through any problems that you might have. We can meet via Zoom to go over things. We can meet in person, set up a time to meet in person. We can just email, text back and forth. However it's going to work for you, I am here to help you get through this piece. So please don't hesitate to ask for help during this unit. Once you figure out how to do the unit conversions, it's going to be a piece of cake moving forward because you'll be able to use that strategy on any possible chemistry problem that you will have throughout the remainder of this particular class. So using the conversion factors and figuring out and being comfortable with that is going to be a really, really helpful tool for you. As you go through the different questions on the study guide, you will see that on the different questions that the answer is given for you. So that way you can check your work right away to see if you're right, and if you're not, then you can kind of go back and try and figure out what happened. Also, you will notice as you go through, so here's the video examples, and then this is the video example that it goes through, so you can kind of just follow along, and then there's some practice problems. Also, you will notice that there are at the bottom here 4 additional practice problems. And the answers to those problems are posted on Blackboard. You don't have to do them. If you are finished with the study guide and you feel like you got it, then there's no need to do them. If you just want to, you do them to kind of check and help prepare yourself for the quiz, you definitely can do those as well. And again, the answers are posted. Also, if you click on the resource folder for this unit, at the very bottom, there's some more practice problems, and again, the answers are posted on the document too, so that you can quickly just go through them or practice them and check your work. So there's lots of opportunities to practice these problems in order to make you feel a lot more confident about them if you need to. You don't need to turn the practice problems in. They're just there for those who feel like they need to use it. One last thing on this test. You kind of have 2 options here. You can take the test on Blackboard, so you click on the link and then the Blackboard questions will come up. But I also gave a paper version right here. So you can click on that link and you can print out the paper version if you want, if that's easier, and then you can do it all out by hand. If you choose to do the paper version, you can either just take a picture of that and send it to me, and then I'll grade it and enter your grade. Or if you want to know what your score is immediately, you can click on the Blackboard version. The questions are the same, and then enter in, it's multiple choice on Blackboard, enter in your answers from your sheet, and then you'll get a score right away. It doesn't matter to me how you do it. For me, it's easier to do the math problems on a piece of paper and write them all out. So that's why I gave you a paper version for this one. Also, if you email me a picture showing your work for the different problems, then I can give you partial credit if for some reason you get an answer wrong, and kind of see exactly what went wrong and see if there's anywhere that I can give you some partial credit for that. So feel free to email me pictures of the work that you do on the quiz. Ask for help if you need it. I cannot say that enough. I am here to help you, so please don't freak out. Please don't get frustrated. Just work through things step by step and holler if you need it. Have a great week.